and welcome back to Gratify and another presentation. Now, for those of you who'd seen my previous video where I revealed the ABT GR replicas as my first mod for the S4, you'll know that I was eagerly awaiting the arrival of the tyres so I could get the wheels fitted to the car. Now, unfortunately, I'd ordered 245 section tyres because I was really looking for a skinny sidewall look like you'd find on the ABT RS4 Plus and ABT RS4R. Unfortunately, these tyres were that bit skinny on the actual rim. In fact, the wheel rim was 10 millimeters proud of the actual sidewall, which was too stretched on looking for my liking. So I ended up having to order another set of tyres, this time 255 section, which actually fit the wheels a lot better. There's still not much in the way of sidewall protection, however the tyres don't look so stretched on, and the wheels, I'm happy to say, are now fitted onto the car, which is the purpose of today's video, to reveal the wheels on the car. So let's get to that now. Okay, so there we have it, my S4 Avant with the ABT GR replica alloys fitted. Now, I don't know if the concave on the alloys really show too much on camera. They are certainly, to the human eye, quite deep, which I'm glad to say is what I was looking for. And in actual fact, I've brought myself a little ruler here to probably demonstrate that a bit better than just telling you and showing the wheels on camera. So as you can see, when I line the ruler up against the rim, you can see there's quite a large concave there, probably a good 60 millimeters, maybe 70, 65 to 70. So that wheel is actually quite deep, which is exactly the look I was looking for, something that gives the car that little bit more width. And even more, I don't know if you can see how flush they actually sit with the wheel arch. Certainly at the rear, I think they're almost exactly right. There might be a tiny little bit of poke there. Certainly at the front there is some poke. Unfortunately, I've got the wheel slightly turned today, so you can't really see how it sits right now, but it does poke a little bit at the front, probably by somewhere between 3 and 5 millimeters. However, I do suspect that this car is actually at stock ride height at the moment. I do suspect that once I lower the car, and I'm debating between H&R springs or IBACs typically don't lower quite as much. I think they might be more suited to the car, but I'm thinking once the car is lowered, that little bit of poke that I've got at the front of the car, they should tuck in a little bit at the top, and thus the front should sit nice and flush with the wheel arch. But I'm really liking how these wheels are looking on the car. At a glance, they might not look too different to the previous wheels, the RS4 flower style rims, the 19s that I've got. But in the flesh, when you look at them, you do see the difference. And these being 20-inch, obviously allow me a slightly skinnier sidewall, and they give that kind of ABT look as per the RS4R and RS4 Plus, which is essentially what I'm looking for. So that's about it today. A very quick video just to show how the wheels look on the car. It is the first mod. The next stop for me will probably be the door mirrors. I'm going to change those for black mirror covers. The badging, I'd say, needs to be changed to be black as well at the front, and there may be one or two other little surprises in store that I'll share with you as time goes by. But for now, that's it. If you want to keep track of the mods that I do on the car and where I go with it, certainly do feel free to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll keep bringing you more content as time goes by. I've actually taken advantage of a very sunny day here today. Apparently it's been raining cats and dogs. We actually went away for a couple of weeks to Germany, where I had the opportunity to almost max out on the Autobahn and do a lap of the Nürburgring, which was fantastic. Unfortunately, I do have a video of it, but it may not be one that I'll put up just yet. I'll save that for another time, when I probably go back to the Nürburgring and do a more spirited lap than the one I did when I was there this last time. But today it's a beautiful day. It's been absolutely chucking it down for the last 2 weeks. We've had 3 storms here in southwest France. Even in Germany it was quite wet, so no opportunity really to film until now. So I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you the wheels on the car. Hopefully you'll think they suit it. If you do, or if you don't, feel free to comment below and let me know just what you think. And as I said, as things progress with the car, I'll shoot more videos and I'll present them to you for your opinion. Anyway, that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you on the next one.